So you were mentioning that Skudo Glass Advance is not the only thing you use, like further into the project, you use some of your other products?
Yes, the further we get into it, the more we can make our clients aware of what we can offer in terms of site protection. We limit it to finished surfaces. We don't want to be the initial protector of the site. It just makes much better sense to protect finished surfaces. So we've gotten a lot of traction with the Skudo Board, fabric back. Obviously it looks very professional when we put it down. The owners, if they do drop in, they're saying, wow, this contractor's taking care of our investment. We've had incidences where scaffold has been built on it, lift trucks driven on it, tools dropped from pendant lights 2 stories above, and there was no damage. Had there not been the protection, obviously it would have been damaged to a great extent. So it just gives us another value-added piece that we can walk on site with and offer a proactive service.
Sure.
Well, and I think our clients have really been happy with the reusability of it. They've brought it from job to job, and although it may not be pristine and clean anymore, they will bring it to the next job and use it for protecting more rough surfaces. And
Because the integrity still is intact.
Right. Well, we're happy to be a part of that, and it's a great partnership with contractors like yourselves that take attention to detail. And
that's what we're about. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, guys.